made in the USA? Even the blade. Where's that come from?
Milwaukee.
Yeah. All right. So we're good, guys. Get online, check it out. If you want this set, hook you up, put the duct tape on it, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for Little Dick.
Little Dick out.
See you later. Oh, your friends call you Little Dick?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that would make your old man
Big Dick.
Big Dick. Big Dick. And
Big Dick hurts her.
Yeah. And so Denver hits you as being odd that people call you Little Dick?
No. Why?
Doesn't bring up anything, doesn't hurt you in any way. You just assume Little Dick is a good name for you.
Well, it's what I've always been called.
Does it pertain to anything else?
Well, I'm hung like a field mouse.
Really?
Hung like a baby. 21 inches, 9 pounds, 10 ounces. You walk into the bar, come see Little Dick. You know, it's like a great big guy called Tiny.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it now. So
Yeah.
it's the opposite.
Well,
It's the opposite. It's supposed to be the opposite.
Naturally.
I see.
I'm in NASCAR. Everyone in NASCAR hung like a horse.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a problem sometimes.
You ever get harassed by anybody? Do you wear that jacket every day? I mean, that's what you wear every day. That's
Yeah, I don't even take it off. Actually, I don't shower. That's why it's clean. Shower with it. I don't even know what I got underneath this. Most of the time, nothing. I go commando.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Just a racing jacket.
El Natural. What's hot?
You drive down the road with that on?
But yeah,
just
it's
seeing-
hot as shit in this thing. Can't wear much underneath there. Yeah, yeah. One time, Big Dick, the old man, duct taped 10 pounds of Columbia Bam Bam underneath my car. He said, "You better go fast, boy." I went fast. I'm going fast. I went fast.
Where'd you go?
Wherever they weren't. The 5-0, the fuzz. They was on me.
The 5-0.
5-0, the fuzz, they was on me. I outrun them.
Did you?
Oh yeah, it was good.
Yeah. I think
went
that's how.
fast.
Isn't that how NASCAR started? At running away from the
Well, there
police.
was moonshiners back in the day.
Yeah. Now
you
it's Colombian Bam Bam.
Now it's Columbia Bam Bam. That's a little different.
There's more money in that.
Well, there's quite a bit more money, and that's how I can afford this nice jacket.
That is nice.
It is nice. It's
Is that real leather?
It smells like it. Now, I ain't never got that close to an actual cow, though, but I'm thinking it is.
All right.
Smell
No, not really. I'm good.
it? I like
All right. Well, it was good.
me look
It was good to meet you, Little Dick.
Well, yeah.
So when your old man dies, then
Then
you'll become Big
Big Dick. Senior. Big Dick hurts her.
Yeah.
Senior.
Gotcha.
Junior's gone. There's lots of juniors in line.
Yeah.
There's other juniors.
Yeah.
Some of my seat.
You got any kids?
Oh, yeah. All over the place. Some I know about. Some I don't. Whatever.
They all named Richard too.
Yeah, there's a lot of little dicks around there. You know, a lot of little dicks running around.
There are no girls though, right there.
Oh, there probably is. I don't know. I don't know about all of them, you know. I mean, got a life on the road, you know. I'm on the road. I'm gone. I race. That's what I do.
All right.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. All right.
It's a good time.
Well, it's good to meet you.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks for coming by.
No
Appreciate
problem.
it.
Glad to lend my expertise.
Yeah, that's what you call it.
Yeah. Yeah. Is there any more beer?
Yeah. Hey, get him some more beer.
There's that son of a bitch. I like this place.
Yeah.
Beer just appears.
Yeah.
It's like heaven. NASCAR and beer, they go together.
That's right.
Like Franks and beans, peas and carrots.
Okay. I'm tired of this.